So I am sitting in this small place. So this is also like a valley, and like um, about the emeralds and sapphires. Sapphires are they are red sapphires, blue sapphires, and mostly red and violet. So about the sapphires, they are at the Smithsonian University in the um, America, or and the about sapphire. So I consider these blue as these sapphires. So about the blues, the aquamarines are they are found in the um, um, Australia. So the largest aquamarine is found in the Australia. So it is in the shape of a about a stem, it is in the shape of a crystalline glass bottle, or you could say it as a mummy, like a small mummy. And so these aquamarines are they are very beautiful, and they are blue, and these are some of the very old type of um, minerals. So the aquamarine is mined from the Brazil, I think, um, South America, I think. So again, that is a very beautiful piece of art. And the aquamarine, it is about a constituent of water, and usually I think they would have mined it from very well place, which are mostly icy. So sapphires, the blues are found mostly on long dating sea, and about the tea half, and the log, it is about the sapphires are the eldest, and the aquamarines are the newest. So about from the silver spurs of the valley, it is from the snow, a long dating snow, and about um, it is um, about I could get some air here. So this place, see, most of the places are like this. So it's very afraid to sit on, but they are somewhat cartoonic, and they are you could resist sitting here for a long time. So and about the emeralds. So emeralds and rubies are such beautiful things on the world. So from the Tipu Sultan to the Akbar, it is emeralds and rubies together, they form the art, as they are mined along with the copper. So they form the art of old tradition and civilization. So about the Vatapi Ganapatim, and about the Ajanta and Ellora paintings, and everything about the emeralds and rubies. So certainly, so there is a train moving on. Um, so the Texas and the Nalandas, and everything is emerald green and red ruby. Without that, you are not a person on the world. uh, so about the rubies are so the great spinel, the red spinel, and spinel means it is not the melted form of the metal. It is so you cannot say as a metal also. The spinels are about similar to the plastic. So again, about the most of the peoples use this steel vessels and these iron and these copper. So these plastics are a very rare form, I think, but certainly they are used by the people. So the king gives to everyone, like like every people. I think it is a year of the super king. So like he believes that every people should have his peace of mind and the property he owns. So I'm very glad about it. So as a person, as a woman, I'm very glad about it. So every queen like would be very happy about it. So not every princess, but like every queen. And like so talking more on about these gems, um, like um, emeralds. These emeralds are like I think no note was given about. So to tell about the emerald, so they are in the shape of a linga, and they are like so to say, state a few, I have seen a linga shaped emerald. It is about a mount. It is about like in the shape about from like 2 to 5 kgs to about some 100 to 200 kgs of emeralds. So in my lifetime, like I've seen about uh, um, um, a polishy emerald, like that is like a gem. um, so usually in the court of Akbar, they used to call those as gems, about the polished ones. So the very polished ones, they are like similarly the like they are not like the crystals, but they have been like from the mountains of the monsoon forest. So like these are the mangrove forest, and like about the these jewelry ones, these are called as what to say, it's a millennia. So like a mittai, it's about a mittai, and it's a candy one. So these form the jewels of the Rajput kings also. So like from Jhansi to the Rajput and to the Rajasthan and about the entire north. It has been entirely about these emerald, rubies, sapphires, and the topaz. So about these emeralds, they are like one form is like about the green of neem. So the neem green, and so again next emerald which I have seen is like uh, oh like again the emerald. About the field of the emerald, I have drawn a 3D art of the emerald, and so like it is about silvery place, like silvery lane. So like the color green itself is considered as a human color. It is a formation of human. So usually in the Taramangalam temples you could see the um, um, like the monkeys and the squirrels and the snakes and like everything. So morning I had a visual um orientation of like uh, about a centipede. Um, so these formation areas into the retina, these are like about a squirrel, a snake, or like certainly reptile. So about the classification of animals, these are certain things to be remembered about. The mammals and the reptiles. So usually the biological man has classified into kingdoms of reptiles and mammals are very important source of living people, and these reptiles are also in this color of neem. And about the light green, it is about so the garnet, the grossular, and about the entire form of green. So there's a form of black garnet, and like in places like deserts, there are form of every kind of color of metals, I mean the minerals, like black emerald, black ruby, black topaz, black sapphire, and everything black, black violets also. So like about the invasion of black into these colors, so they are like very crystalline, and they are like transparent, and certainly we called as a class 2 diamond. um, so about these emeralds and rubies, um, more about the emeralds, so like they are garnet emeralds. These kind of emeralds are like even very beautiful to see. So the garnet emeralds are like slightly darkish and winey emerald. So about these type are different, and uh, differing from these, they are like so one kind of paint we painted in house was the bus green, and so like that is a type of like when people miners know, when they want to find certain things, they mark what they have mined. So if they have mined a pure emerald, so they color it with white, or like mix it very bright to find the other one. So one such was that bus green, and like about um, so another such emerald, so like I have those, but I certainly know the place of mining, and like that place is like about a light green emerald. So this light green is the new one, and the neem green is the old one. So like talking about more on emeralds and rubies. So next is the yellow and the blue. So the blues. So wouldn't you be like very pretty, or like feeling very blessed when you move on a road of blue? It certainly yes. It's about like you are um, you are like very much blessed on earth if you are like moving on a long road about like 2 kilometers of fully of a road made of blues. So telling about this road, I have seen, if you talk about blue, it is like black also is like included. So about the blue, the sapphire, I have a lot of memorable experiences on about blue and mining. So